everyone, sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much for uthando lwakho support. Please kindly subscribe, like the video, share the video as well. Ngicela sikhulume ngoGogo Sikhotheni bafowethu. I saw a story kukhulunywa ukuthi uGogo Sikhotheni ubebemkhiphela ilobolo, something like that. I'm like, Kanti, what is the relationship with Gogo Sikhotheni nobhuti Monde Shange? Because I know that she has a husband, and then I was like, manje lokhu khona, because I remember they separated and then they came back to say into zabo sebeyilungisile, their husband and wife njengoba sikhuluma nje. Manje ke mangibona lesi stories zokuthi uGogo Sikhotheni ushaye uyise ewezingane zakhe uMonde Shange asanda kuhlukana naye ngenkamba beyibuza ke emtshela ukuthi sekukhona abakhongi ekhaya kubo bazomlobola fakwa nendandatho yesithembiso somshado namhlanje. Bone nje kukhona lapha I do not know if those are family members. La kudabula kaGogo Sikhotheni man angeke uzulu understand. So kukhona bazomlobola with uMonde Shange mhlambe it didn't work. Like what is happening? Like ngiba dizzy man. Sekukhona indoda like honestly what is going on uGogo Sikhotheni. So lolu daba lugcwele bafowethu balubhale nje laphana bafowethu ukuthi uGogo Sikhotheni ushayise wezingane zakhe uMonde Shange asanda kuhlukana nawe, which means basanda kuhlukana njalo nje phela relationship yabo is on and off like kuningi. Then someone commented under there wathi nale na loyo omthathayo usazomshiya badlala umasingcozi mhlawumbe like angazi. Omunye athi yena ngaze ngamdabukela umkhwenyana clearly usisi usacabanga emuva negama liyasho nje uSikhotheni lo. Omunye athi kodwa ke leyangalo enethathu ibukeka kungekamonde laba bathanda icontent kakhulu akuselula nokuba kholwa. For me I don't believe that. I don't believe they are separate. Ngiyamazi uGogo Sikhotheni, ngiyamazi mase kufuna uqala into zakhe zokutrenda nje zokufuna ukuba relevant. Ngiyamazi elotshola uselotshola when did she divorce? You know what I mean? Hayi omunye ke wambiza ngeFK hayi ngeke uthi kanti izimpawu zokuloba azisetshenziswa yini uma kubhalwa iphephandaba lesizulu. Okay, izimpawu zokuloba, this is someone mhlambe ekhuluma nephe. Okay, omunye akamiyeke noMonde uzothola ke omunye manje by doing this the guy will die because of a heart attack. Everyone is replaceable. Hayi angazi inkosi yami, angazi ngoGogo Sikhotheni. Kolunye udaba ngingabona ngale kaZimoja bekhuluma ngokuthi ube confessa ngokuthi wake wasiza ke inyanga thizeni ngizoya kancane lapho noma kubhalwe ngesingisi. Hey, into zikaGogo Sikhotheni zithanda kuba ningi bafowethu. Ube selotshola where is uMonde? Yabazi mabe senza content lapha. Kolunye udaba bebekhuluma ukuthi Gogo Sikhotheni comes clean about her first dark job. Ube confess uGogo Sikhotheni ngokuthi khona inkabi akabe isiza kudala engakabe uGogo Sikhotheni lesimaziyo. Kwafika inkabi izofuna usizo imtshela ukuthi okay ibulala abantu manje kuyicela ukugezwa ke into zamathunzi. You know what, like uma ngumbulala ubulala abantu phela abanye abantu bazokulandela, you know, bazokuzingela like spiritually. So uGogo Sikhotheni uthi lo wayisiza loyo bhuti ukumgeza nanani amathunzi nakho konke. So ngiyonyaba right, celebrity sangoma and social media influence uGogo Sikhotheni has spoken about how she had to use dark ways to assist a hitman who has allegedly killed a few people. uGogo Sikhotheni's real name, Patricia Tumi Motsweneng, said she entered the dark world of healing when she was not even popular at the time. But I had a client from Joburg while I was still staying in Embalenhle. He arrived at 6 in the morning and said, Gogo, I'm in Ingabi. My Inyanga is now dead. I wasn't famous at the time. Nobody knew me at that time. So I was working in my mkuku at that time and had 2 initiates. Besahlale mkukwini enamathwasana kamabili yase yafika ke lenkabi ke izocela ke usizo. Uthi I was working in my mkuku at that time and with 2 initiates. uSikhotheni said kuleya video ke bafowethu wathi yena she said the hitman told her that he had unalived a lot of people who were high profile. People who were high profile, okay? Can you imagine that? And needed protection from her. He said being a hitman was a job that was putting food on his table and he wanted protection from his victims so that they wouldn't haunt him. She added that it was my first time encountering such a person and I threw bones to consult to my ancestors. The guy was happy that I would help him and to consult in the dark space. That was uSkhoteni, which means ke uye wamsiza ke loyo bhuti njengoba esho. So siyamazi uSkhoteni bafethu usehlambuluka ke namhlanje akhuluma ngokuthi uke wasebenza nenkabi thizeni eyayibulala abantu yabuya yacela ukugezwa and ugogo wayigeza wayisiza. Gogo uSkhoteni yazenza izinto like imagine nje ukusebenza nenkabi bafethu like honestly. But anyways indaba zikaTumi I've seen ke ngendaba zakhe zokuthi ke uyashada. I'm like what the hell is this one? Gogo uSkhoteni uyalotshola. Ngiyabazi laba mabesenza content ugogo uSkhoteni can find out that it's a lie. I don't trust her at all when it comes to that lobola part like njani mntakabawu so lotshola nini wegogo uSkhoteni uphumonde. I don't trust her. For me I don't trust the lobola part. Ngiyamazi uSkhoteni when it comes to content and kodwa ke udaba lakhe lokuthi waye wasizana nenkabi ebulala abantu hayi gogo niyazenza izinto shempa kithi hayi sizothini ke ngomsebenzi wenu. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Like, subscribe, share, asihlangane kwenye landelayo. Bye.